Okay, if you have a lot of t-shirts and you wear them a lot, this is the way to fold them. You can watch some other video to do this trick, whatever that is. I can never figure that out, but this is about storage. So I've got a t-shirt here, nice sock shirt, eucalypt shirt, a little retro. So just fold it like you normally would. Instead of just throwing this shirt as it is into a drawer or a pile, you take this, roll it up like this, so you can see exactly what the shirt is. I got my Aperture Laboratories, got my Psychedelic Dare shirt, so I know what these all are. Then when I want to store them, got all my t-shirts, know exactly what they are.